you guys how you can get your credit reports for free. Now, a lot of people, and then remember, it's only 2 credit reports. It's going to use Credit Karma. It's going to be your TransUnion. It's going to be your Equifax. And I want to actually go into Credit Karma and show you guys how to navigate it too. So that will be another video, but definitely check this video out. So with this video, don't forget it's only going to be a TransUnion. It's going to be Equifax. They only give you 2 credit reports. They're going to give you 2 credit scores every week. Unless something major happened, they may give it to you on the spot if something major was to happen. So don't forget too, this Credit Karma. Now with Credit Karma, you're able to see your scores. They're going to give you a lot of suggestions in terms of, hey, what credit cards you should get, in terms of places you can go get auto loans, personal loans, and even home loans. So that's something else that they're going to do too. And they're going to monitor your credit for you. So if anything changes, they're going to definitely let you know. They're going to give you like insights on how to improve your credit score. And then too, they're going to make sure that they personalize any recommendations for you in terms of which credit cards that you guys can get. Because they'll let you know, hey, maybe you can get this credit cards because people with your credit score usually get approved for these credit cards. And then too, they'll let you know about any unclaimed money. So you can go ahead and click, let's do it. You can go into this and they'll let you know if you have any unclaimed money. A lot of people have unclaimed money and they don't even know about it. So let's go into the application. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is go to creditkarma.com. I'm not sure why all of this is on here. So just go to creditkarma.com. You can click see my scores. So when you go ahead, it's a different, let me take that off. When you go ahead and click see my scores, what you're going to do is you're going to put your email address in and you're going to put your password in. So let's go ahead and create an email address. Let's create a password that we can use. Okay, they didn't like that. Maybe because I have a lot of people's stuff. Come on, Credit Karma. Thank you. Okay, there we go. So now that you have this information put in, what you got to do is you got to put your first name here, put your last name, put the street address, go ahead and put your apartment number. If you have an apartment, your city, state, and zip code, put your date of birth here. And then remember, too, they only want the last 4 digits of your social security number. Now, if they're unable to find you, they're going to ask for your full social. But a lot of times they should be able to find you. And then they're going to ask you, like, what's the reason why you're using Credit Karma? You could put in an answer if you want to, but if not, it's optional. You don't even have to put it in. Go ahead and click here and click Next Step. Now, your next step is going to be security questions. And I'm going to show you guys what a sample security questions are going to look like for Credit Karma. Now, after you go ahead and put in all your information, they're going to show you your credit report. So let me go ahead and put up a client's credit reports. So yeah, this is a client that just signed up with us. So they gave me access to their credit report. They told me I can use their credit reports for the videos. So when you actually go ahead and sign up for Credit Karma, like I said too, this is the screen that you're going to see. You're going to be able to see, let's see if I can show you guys in the phone view too. So this is how it's going to look, you guys. So if you look here, this is how it's going to look on your phone if you're using your phone. So you're going to see your TransUnion, you're going to see your Equifax, you're going to see your credit scores. They're going to let you know when the last time you checked your credit. They're going to let you know how many active accounts you have. They're going to let you know about taxes. They want you to link your card to it. They're going to let you know about homes and also about saving because they have a saving account here too. So you guys definitely go to Credit Card. Go ahead and sign up for Credit Karma because they're going to give you your credit reports. And let's go ahead and just take a quick little sneak peek into after you sign up. So They're basically saying if you were to get LVMV funding deleted from your credit report, your credit score can go up 23 points. We're already working on removing that, so we're going to ignore that. If you ever want to see any changes happening to your account, you can go ahead and just click here and see what changed. Your payment history, we want that to be at 100%. So the client's been late on multiple accounts, which is why it's 50%. The credit card usage, remember I told you guys, I don't want you guys to spend more than 5% on any credit card. So that's what this is. I don't want you guys to spend more than 5%. Any derogatory marks that you may have, like collections, bankruptcies, you will see that here, because tax liens and judgments they're no longer allowed on your credit report. So it's only going to be collections and bankruptcies here. And then, too, the age of your accounts. Don't forget, I want you to make sure that the age of your accounts is at least 5 years. So I want you to make sure that you're not closing out good accounts. Let them get old, because that's what's going to help boost your credit score up. The total amount of accounts that you have is here. So he has a total of 15 accounts and 5 inquiries. So we got to work on getting those inquiries removed for this client too. And don't forget, we got the inquiry removal, you guys, where it should take like 12 hours or less to remove inquiries from your credit reports. Go ahead and look down in the description and get your inquiry removal ebook so you guys can go ahead and work on them inquiries. Now look, this is the thing. Your credit reports for TransUnion and Equifax supposed to be the same. You're one person. It's not supposed to be different. But look here, you guys. Equifax has a totally different credit score, right? That's how you know you got things wrong with your credit. And that's what we help clients do. We help them fix these different things. Now, we fix these different things in terms of deleting these accounts, helping them get more credit cards. That help boost their credit score up. So let's go ahead and compare the different things too, you guys. So this is TransUnion here. Let's see if we can duplicate. No, let's not duplicate the screen. Let's just go down and do it. So the payment history is 50% on TransUnion, and Equifax it is 53%. So that means that TransUnion reported more late payments than Equifax actually reported. So that is a problem, you guys. Now, another thing too, the utilization for TransUnion is 145 and Equifax have 145, so those are the same. The derogatory marks, collections, or bankruptcies and sold credit reports is 5 for TransUnion. Equifax, there's only 3. The age, remember it was 6 months for TransUnion. For Equifax, is 4 months. It was 15 accounts for TransUnion, and it's 13 accounts for Equifax. And hard inquiries is 6 hard inquiries for Equifax, and TransUnion, there are 5. But don't forget too, for like hard inquiries, don't forget each company that you go with, they may pull different credit reports. That's not too alarming. You know what I mean? A lot of people like to pull TransUnion. Some companies will pull Equifax or Experian. But if you're going to get a mortgage, you're going to pull all 3. You have to make sure that this is at 0, or you got to make sure that any account that's listed here is not more than $1,000. So you don't want to have more than $1,000 or $2,000 in collections. You want to make sure that if you did a bankruptcy before, say if you did like a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13, you want to make sure that Chapter 7 is more than 2 years old. And you want to make sure that your Chapter 13 is more than a year old and you're paying on time. So that is how you actually go ahead and check out your Credit Karma. I'm going to make a more detailed video teaching you guys the different things about Credit Karma, how to dig into Credit Karma. Let me know if you guys have any questions for me. I'm definitely here for you guys. And if you guys have negative accounts in terms of your payment history is not at 100%, and then 2, you need to get some of the credit cards deleted because maybe they're bad, or you need to apply for more credit cards, definitely call or text us because we can help you with that. We can help you remove the late payments here, and we can help you remove these derogatory marks. And we can help you get approved for more credit cards. Look down in the description. I have something called my master credit card list that had over 100 credit cards on there. Now, they have 2 $5,000 credit cards that anybody can get approved for. You just have to make sure that you just apply for it. Now, when you apply for these 2 $5,000 credit cards, it should really help boost your credit score up. And in his case, too, I'm pretty sure these are really small credit cards. So let's go ahead and just look. In his case, these credit cards, it's only 1 credit card and it's maxed out. So in this case, if he gets the $5,000 credit card, it's really, really going to boost his credit score up because now it's going to look like he only spent $432 out of $5,000. So that is really good, you guys. So I want you guys to look into getting the 2 $5,000 credit cards, especially if you know you maxed out your credit cards, because then that will be $10,000 that you will have in credit, and they would approve almost anybody. So again, call us or text us if you have any questions. Don't forget, I have people in my team, so sometimes you won't get me right away. But if you want to speak to me, just definitely let my assistants know, hey, I want to speak with Rickita, and they should be able to put you right on through to me. You guys have a nice day.